Hi guys, my name is Gayathri. I'm from Bangalore. Before I came across AttainU, I was working as an Angular developer at a startup. Pandemic, there were project crunches, and so I had to let go of the job. And when I was job hunting, I realized that just one skill per se, like Angular or React, just one skill was not enough in the market because more companies tend to look at full stack developers or developers who can manage end to end. So yeah, that's when I did some research and came across AttainU. Found out about AttainU through a website which was listing all this online coding uh, platforms, and one being it is online, so I could take it from the comfort of home. And other thing being the basically the structure layout, how they would cover these modules. So that's available on their website. So the most useful thing that I found that helped me a lot during this course in Attain was the projects that we covered. So projects are something that give us real experience, how much ever theory we grasp. Project is where we can really put our skills to test, and that goes in the long run. So projects and yeah, the constant CCs and assignments that we do every day, so that definitely keeps us on our toes. And we get a lot of practice. That is one more thing. And I guess Attenu's mentors, who are of course the previous students, are really helpful because they give out their learnings, which is not very distinct. And so they are also constantly learning and evolving, and they give us inputs based on that. I mean, they give the students inputs based on that. So that's something that's relevant to the industry, and it's really helpful. Placement experience with AttainU was it was decent in the sense that so AttainU has companies that come with AttainU, and we can sit through them also. But there are, I mean, we have the option of getting placed on our own, as in getting a job on our own. So the latter happened with me. But the placement cell and the placement experience that AttainU offer was equally good. So they were really helpful student counselors who would go back and forth constantly to make sure that we are constantly applying, and we are preparing for the interviews, and that we are attending the interviews. So all these were taken care of, and that really helped, to helped us to stay on the edge. Okay, so one thing that I really would advise current and future AttainU students is, even though this is an online platform, it might feel distant sometimes, but do not give up on constant practice. And there is definitely some amount of research that definitely needs from your end. Try a hand at different skills, integrating different frameworks, libraries into already existing and thought skills. So I guess that really gives you the edge when you start appearing for placement. So yeah, definitely practice cannot be bargained. So definitely practice goes a long way. Ultimately, I would definitely say the sugar on the icing is the fact that if you work on your own on more projects, that definitely gives you the confidence that will really help. And it'll give you the surety that okay, yes, I can do this. So when you attend interview, you have that edge over other candidates, that you have worked on something on your own, you made mistakes, you learned from it. And yeah, all the best.